This is a quick instructional video to show you how to use this tool. Over here are fairly recent earthquakes on the left side. You can arrange them by magnitude, or you can list them by newest first. You can also do this kind of thing. If we expand the map, you're going to notice our list of earthquakes gets bigger. This is limited to earthquakes of magnitude 2.5 or greater and in the last day. Let's look at some of our tools. By the way, see these numbers down here? That tells us where our pointer is. Phoenix, or where we are. Let's zoom in. The Phoenix area. Yeah, that's about right. 33 point something north and about 111 west. Okay, let's zoom out. Badly. We can go to any one particular place that we want. Let's say we wanted to go Hawaii. We can do that, but let's not. Back to our tools. Oh. That will make the left marginal stuff disappear, and you can bring it back. This brings up the map and only the map. In fact, it tells you if you hover over it. This, whoa, tells you how to use this. And this is what you get over on the right margin, except in the whole window. The problem with the map as it is it's limited to earthquakes in the last day. We want more of a pattern, so just for the heck of it, oh, by the way, we can use miles if we want. We can do some other things, but this is good enough. I'm going to click here, and you're going to notice a definite pattern to earthquakes. They don't occur some places. If we zoom in on Arizona, maybe. We're kind of boring. Let's see, this is the Phoenix area, and the college is about right here. Nothing. So disappointing. But you're going to have to choose one of these earthquakes in your report. But you don't want just any earthquake. You want to limit it, to earthquakes that are large. So there's an easy way to do this. Let's go to 4.5 in the last 30 days. And then you can choose any one of these earthquakes that you want, as long as it meets the requirements. I'll click on that. Ooh, there's a 5.6. Let's find something bigger. How do I know it's bigger? Well, the circle's bigger. There's a 6.0. If I click on this, it's going to bring up another page. It's going to tell you a little bit about it, and then you can grab this information and look on the web all about this. There might be a way to get some more information, but that's it for now. You can do your own searching. Go me, that's at 3 minutes and 40 seconds.